Today I just pottered around a bit. I watered my crops, I nearly said. I watered my flowers, I tended to my rocks. I went and I did a home for Avery, and he wanted a rocky refuge, and I actually had no ideas. I kind of did this just to see what would happen since I finished the DLC, and I thought this would be a good thing. I was like, oh, a rocky refuge, this would be really easy to do, and then I just had like no ideas, so I just made like a meditation square, and I was like, you know what, that'll do. I'll figure out. And then I got paid like 20k Pocky afterwards, and I was like, okay, so I got a payment increase. And then I just kind of ended the day with a KK concert because it's Saturday, so it was a pretty chill day today.